Well, howdy folks. Welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. Well, it's springtime. The snow is melting, the temperatures are getting hotter, and everything is being kissed by the sun. We'll show you what we got going on.
Terry Family Adventures.
Well folks, it's a beautiful day outside, but not too long ago we had a lot of snow. But first, we're going to introduce you to one of our new projects. It's a little beat up, but as you can see, it's a Dodge. It's a 1984 Dodge W150. Yep. It's four-wheel drive. It's a little bit beat up, but it's a fixer-upper. It needed some work. We've already put alternator and a fuel pump, cap and rotor, wires, and now it needs an oil pump. And it has the Chrysler 318 in it, and one of our viewers, they commented that asked why we were working on the Grand Cherokee if we know it's never going to be the ultimate off-road machine. And you're right, it's not. It's just going to be a very capable, family-friendly overlander. But now we have the project that we're going to turn into our extreme off-roader. So you've seen our buddy's S10 on the channel before, and there was a little mishap. Smashed out the grill real good. It wiped out the bumper. We bent it back the best that we could, and I put some wire mesh in there so that there's some protection for his radiator, and we put this big bumper on there. We just screwed the lights to it, and our goal was legal. At some point we'll fix it up right, but he needed a ride now, and so we did this. I mean, technically everything works and it's perfectly legal, but at some point we're going to fix this thing up much better for him. Well folks, that's what we've got going on. Hope you liked the video. Go down there, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow us on Facebook so you can see all the projects we have going on and get notifications about videos. Sometimes YouTube isn't all that great about the notifications, but Facebook's pretty good. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We're going to take this camper shell and put it on this trailer and make a fun camping trailer out of it. Stay tuned.